In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and customize File tab in Outlook. We'll be using Outlook on the web, and I'll show you where to access the controls that let you tailor your mailbox view, just like you might expect from file or layout options in other versions of Outlook. Follow along on your browser and pause anytime you need. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook. You're looking for the official Microsoft Outlook site. Click the result that takes you to the Outlook web app and sign in if you're prompted. Once your inbox loads, you're ready to adjust how everything looks and feels. At the top of the page, find the menu that controls how your mailbox is displayed. Click View. This is where Outlook keeps the layout controls that influence the message list, reading pane, and conversation settings. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're in Mail, not Calendar or People, and that your window is maximized so all options are visible. Inside the View menu, look for the three dots, often labeled More or shown as an ellipsis. Click those three dots. This expands the menu to show additional options that aren't visible by default. From that expanded list, choose Customize. This opens the customization panel where you can fine-tune the interface to match your preferences. Think of this as your control center for how information is organized and displayed. Now you can customize the view. Depending on your version, you'll typically see options such as the position of the reading pane, whether conversations are grouped, the density of the message list, and toggles for things like sender images or preview text. As you make changes, pay attention to any live preview or example shown. If you prefer scanning lots of messages at once, choose a compact density. If you like a cleaner, more open layout, pick a more spacious setting. If you often follow long threads, keeping conversation view on can help. If not, you can turn it off to see each message individually. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. This applies your changes to your inbox immediately. If something doesn't look right, you can return to the same view menu, open the three dots again, and revisit Customize to adjust. Your changes are tied to your account and typically carry over the next time you sign in from the same browser. That's it. You've reached Outlook, opened the view controls, accessed the additional options, customized the layout to your liking, and saved your changes. Enjoy a cleaner, more productive inbox experience.